At the beginning, management didn't think the whole process worthwhile. At the end of the project, they realized that it was an investment. If you don't make a good decision, if you don't have a clear view, you'll be paying twice as much on customization because you don't know what you truly need. Using TEC, you are not surprised by the cost of unexpected customization. Before using TEC, we would invite vendors or implementers so they could show us their software. We would then make a decision based on what we saw and what we thought could help us. The trap here is that software provider will only show what they want you to see. Working with TEC, we got something more than fancy smoke and mirror show.